Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Hey, what's up everyone? I hope you're all doing well. It's a frigid winter evening here in downtown Toronto. It's about -20, but that's not going to stop us from going on a little adventure, so let's bundle up and get out there. Alright, so we made it to Yonge and Dundas Square. I'm gonna shoot some stills here, so enjoy.
Cause 3 days aren't enough to grace it is the gift of God, not of words.
Alright, I hope you enjoyed those stills. We're gonna head into the Eaton Center for a little bit, warm up, and shoot some shots in there. Alright, so it wouldn't be a Toronto vlog if I didn't head to one of my favorite spots, the parking garage on top of the Eaton Center. I've gone there pretty much every Toronto video, so you might as well keep up with traditions. Let's get into it. Alright, so we made it on top of the Eaton Center. Definitely one of my favorite locations, and whenever I'm downtown shooting, I always make an effort to come up here because I really do like this spot. Last time I was here a couple weeks ago, I shot some pretty awesome drone shots, but I never used them, so I'm going to insert them now. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed those drone shots. I thought they were pretty awesome and I never used them, so I'm glad I got to insert them into this video. We're going to make our way down now and then head over to City Hall, film a couple shots there, and then probably wrap up the video, so let's get into it. So funny, literally every single time I'm in the staircase it just reeks like weed. People love the hotbox in here. Always a little sketchy in here too. What the heck happened here? Alright, we made it out of this sketchy hotbox and it's time to make our way over to City Hall. Alright, before we get into City Hall and shoot some more stills, I'm gonna grab some street meat. Just hoping they accept that bit, so let's get a sausage. Hey buddy, can I get a spicy Italian sausage? Thank you very much. Have a good day, brother. Alright, we got ourselves a nice spicy Italian sausage. Just gonna eat this quick and then we're gonna shoot some stills around City Hall, so. My go-to combo when I get spicy Italian sausages, ketchup, mayo, and onions. Absolutely fire. Don't knock it till you try it. And like I was saying earlier, it's -20. My hand is like numb already, just from taking a few bites of this. I need to eat this quick and get my gloves back on. Alright, sausage is done. My hand is numb. But I don't know, the sausage tastes a little funky today, so let's see how this sits in my stomach. Hopefully I don't get sick, but we're gonna shoot a couple stills here at City Hall, so enjoy these shots. Alright guys, so those last shots are pretty rushed. I don't know how they turned out, but it is getting a little too cold for me, so I'm going to head back to the condo to warm up, and I'm going to wrap up the video here. So if you made it this far, I appreciate you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Until next time.